In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude for small business. To get started, head over to Claude and either create an account or sign into your existing one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken into the chat interface. This is the main workspace where you'll interact with Claude, create projects, and begin using it as a practical tool in your business. Getting comfortable in this space first makes everything else much easier. Before you start typing prompts, take a moment to identify your business needs. This is an important step because Claude becomes much more useful when you're clear about what you want it to help with. You might use it for content marketing, customer service, sales communication, administrative work, product descriptions, internal documentation, business planning, or research and analysis. Defining your priorities up front helps you stay focused and get more relevant output. Next, create reusable prompts for tasks you do on a regular basis. This can save a lot of time and also make your results more consistent. For example, you can prepare prompts for writing a professional email to a client, generating a weekly social media content calendar, summarizing a meeting transcript into action items, creating an SEO-friendly blog post, or drafting a customer support response for a refund request. When you reuse strong prompts, you reduce guesswork and improve reliability. After that, start uploading business documents that Claude can analyze. This is especially useful if you want more tailored responses based on your own materials. You can upload things like company policies, product catalogs, training manuals, marketing plans, sales reports, meeting notes, or standard operating procedures. Once a document is uploaded, you can ask Claude to summarize it, edit it, or answer specific questions based on the content. It's also a good idea to organize your work by creating separate chats or projects for different parts of the business, such as marketing, sales, customer support, human resources, finance, or operations. Keeping things separated this way makes it easier to return to previous conversations and maintain context over time. From there, begin using Claude in your day-to-day tasks. You can rely on it for drafting emails, writing blog articles, creating social media captions, brainstorming campaign ideas, preparing presentation outlines, reviewing written content, and summarizing long documents. The more consistently you use it, the more naturally it can fit into your workflow and support productivity. As you use AI-generated content, always review and edit everything before sending, publishing, or sharing it. Check for accuracy, brand voice, grammar, spelling, current information, consistency, and tone. Claude can give you a strong starting point, but your final review is what ensures the output truly reflects your business. Finally, develop a repeatable workflow. Plan the task, write a detailed prompt, generate a first draft, review and refine it, approve the final version, and then publish or send the completed work. A simple, consistent process like this helps you and your team use Claude more efficiently every day.